right, then what about singing time? Travel friends, the friends till the very end.
Travel friends! There's no rhythm in this song, which makes it very, very dumb.
Starflower crisps? May I have a pack as well?
Sure thing. Here you go.
Is that how you consume this?
I don't mean to be rude, but you're eating it the wrong way. You have to take off the wrapping.
Oh, thank you. Take off the wrapping. You are eating it the wrong way, too. You can taste the star particles. Crunchy. I quite like it. I want to save the space donut. The donut still does not know what Starflower crisps taste like unpacked.